President Donald Trump is dispatching Navy hospital ship USNS Comfort to New York Harbor to support the coronavirus response, he announced during a news conference on Wednesday.
Trump also announced he will invoke the Defense Production Act to expand the U.S. response to the outbreak.
The Navy has 2 hospital ships. The other, USNS Mercy, is being prepared to deploy to the West Coast, Trump said. The ships will get underway in the next week, he said, noting that he spoke with New York Gov. Andrew Cuomo, who announced the Comfort deployment in a news conference minutes before the president's comments.
They are in tip-top shape, Trump said.
Defense Secretary Mark Esper announced Tuesday that the Pentagon is preparing the ships, which are equipped with 1,000 hospital beds each, for potential deployments to hot spots to relieve civilian hospitals dealing with the virus.
Defense officials noted that the hospital ships aren't conducive to containing infectious disease outbreaks but can be used to treat non-coronavirus patients while existing medical facilities focus on disease treatment.
Our capabilities are focused on trauma. They don't have necessarily the segregated spaces that you need to deal with infectious diseases, Esper said, adding that deploying the hospital ships could take the pressure off of civilian hospitals when it comes to trauma cases to open up civilian hospital rooms for infectious diseases.
By invoking the Defense Production Act, the administration would be allowed to direct U.S. industry to ramp up production of critical medical supplies.
The act, according to the Federal Emergency Management Agency, is designed to expedite and expand the supply of resources from the U.S. industrial base to support military, energy, space, and homeland security programs.
We will use the Defense Production Act as necessary to enable that our contracts go to the front of the line on contracting, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar told reporters on February 28. So that is an authority that we have, and we intend to use it to acquire anything that we need to acquire.